Hello, my dear friends. This is from Government Primary School, Tuichawng, Bula District, Mizoram, India. My dear friends, as you can see on the green board, today on 17th September 2025, we, the teachers and students of Shri Government Primary School, Tuichawng, proudly observe Swachhata Awareness Day with unity and joy. We have taken part in cleaning our school toilets, MDM kitchen, classrooms, fans, doors, and windows. So all these are the school activities according to the government rules. So let us work together clean properly, my dear students. As you can see, with unity and joy, our students have taken part in cleaning our school toilets, MDM kitchen, classroom, fans, outdoors, windows, and the classroom. Here you can see at the very moment their learning environment remains healthy, fresh, and inspiring. So overall, together we are also clearing the entire school campus, picking up waste and ensuring that every corner shines with cleanliness. You can see they are pouring water to the water pot. Though our students come from 100% poor and underprivileged families, we teachers try our best, very best, to give them not only education but also values, discipline, and life skills. Cleanliness is one of the most important lessons we teach them, because a clean environment builds a clean mind and a healthy future. Our children may lack material wealth, but they are rich in spirit, energy, and the will to learn. Their smiles, dedication, you can see how nicely they are cleaning the flowers and the pots. Actually, cleanliness is one of the most important lessons we teach them, because a clean environment builds a clean mind and a healthy future. Our children may lack material wealth, etc., but they are rich in spirit, as I told you earlier, energy and the will to learn. Their smiles, you can see they have full of dedication and willingness to join hands with their teachers in such activities. Reminds us that true wealth lies in good character and pure heart. So at Shri Government Primary School, Tuichawng, I, as a headmaster of this school, strongly believe that education is not complete without moral values and social responsibility. That's why I encourage my students to take part in every effort that makes them responsible citizens of tomorrow. Today, as we celebrate Swachhata Awareness Day, we also celebrate the values of unity, discipline, respect, and gratitude. A clean school is not only for our eyes, but also so many things they can learn from this program, the Swachhata Awareness Day program. They are cleaning the fan. We dream of building a generation that will rise from poverty with the strength of education and values. These young children, though poor in resources, can shine brightly with knowledge and good habits. We believe that if they learn to keep their surroundings clean, they will also learn to keep their mind pure, their actions kind, and their lives meaningful. So, let this Swachhata Awareness Day be a reminder for all of us that small steps lead to big changes. By keeping our school clean, we are keeping our future bright. By teaching our children to respect their environment, we are building a better society. And by standing together as teachers and students, we are showing that poverty is never a barrier when the heart is full of determination. May our little school in Tuichawng continue to shine as an example of love, discipline, and cleanliness. Let us all join hands to keep our surroundings pure and beautiful for a brighter tomorrow and for generations to come. Stay tuned with us to see all motivational videos, awareness videos, educational videos. Every time we upload from this space. So, thank you everyone, my dear friends. Have a great and beautiful day ahead. Thank you all.